That about does it. How you doing? My name is Oscar from Limitless Barriers. Making this quick video to give you a glimpse of the future of self-adjusting knee pad accessories. These accessories are problem solving with the bags in the front that hurt your thighs, the side bags which you constantly bang and bruise your hands because you run into it, and the best option is in the back. However, in the back, you have to go through fishing expeditions because you have no visibility of your tools. This has solved all those problems. It is great for when working down lower on the ground, regardless if you're working up on any equipment or light fixtures or whatever that might be. You have your tools within arm's reach without having to bend over, look for them or anything. They pack a lot of stuff. I don't know how many pounds that is, but it's a lot of stuff. Can you focus and show them what it is? Thank you very much, Mikey. Anyway, wanted to show you what the future of Akillis is going to be looking like. You did see some of the lights. We have magnets, different pockets. We're going to start with a simple version, but a very practical version. Akillis self-adjusting knee pads and its accessories. As you can tell, this has been through hell and back by the way our knee pads work. Very simple to apply. Simply close it out and you are ready to go. The question is, will they still self-adjust? I believe they will. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna flip it around twice this way, this one this way. Let's see what happens, boys. They come back into place. As you can tell, self-adjusting knee pads always finds its way back to its original position. Of course, that won't happen, but if they ever fall out of place, as you know, you stretch your leg and they come back. No matter what you do, whether inside, outside, they always come back and your tools will be accessible. The Akillis TB accessory should be on the market by May of this year, 2020. If you'd like to leave a comment, we'd appreciate it. This is for YouTube again. Oscar Frakes from Limitless Barriers, and I thank you for your time.